it's Gina with WTI. Do you have a busy dog at home? My mom's dog, Joey, is a very energetic Shih Tzu, and he loves to wolf down his food and get into a lot of things. But having this Snuffle mat from LIVEKEY has been so helpful. For one thing, it keeps him occupied by trying to find the little treats within it. He has to use his nose to snuffle around to find his kibble, and that really helps to satisfy his need to forage. And it takes Joey about 15 minutes to find every single piece of food. This Snuffle mat is really cool. It's made out of strong fibers, and even though Joey has sharp claws and of course teeth, he has not been tearing this to shreds. We got the gray and white pattern, but there's lots of really cool colors and designs that you can choose from. And what's neat about this mat too, looking at the back, you can see that there's pieces that can snap in together. So if you have multiple dogs or you want a larger space, you can get multiple mats and attach them all together. Mom, Joey, and I are all delighted with this mat, and we think that you will be too. And that's our point of view.